Hello everyone. So today we are continuing the chapter that is set theory. Last class we have discussed about the types of sets. Now we will discuss about the Venn diagram. Venn diagram, this is a diagram to represent, these are the diagrams drawn to represent sets are called Venn Euler diagram or Venn diagram. Okay, so to represent sets of different types like set A, set B, and to represent the common between the set A and set B, we will use the Venn diagram. First is operations of sets. So in this, first one is union of sets. What is meaning of the union of sets? Union means the main part between the A and B. Let us suppose they are the two sets. Let A and B are the two sets. If A and B are two sets, so union of A of C means that the element those element which belongs to both A and B. Okay, what does union mean? Union means that if there are two sets A and B, so union of A and B will be equal to the set and the elements which are in A and elements in B. So those elements whose are in A and B are comes in the A union B. It's represented by a symbol U B, and it is a set. In this, the elements belong to A or X will be belong to B. Let's take an example. In this, we have given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and in set B, the elements are 1, 3, 5, and 7. There are the two sets, set A and set B. So if we have to find the union of A and B, we represent by A union B, and in this set what we write, those elements which belong to both A and B. So in A union B set will come that 1 is in both the sets, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the 5 elements which are in the both the sets. So A union will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. 3 is common in both the sets and 1 is also common in both the sets. So we write it only once. Now let's move to the next. Second, intersection of sets. Union means that in elements of A and B both. And intersection means if there are two sets, if A and B are two sets, then in intersection of A or B, in intersection of A and B, intersection of A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B, which both belongs to both A and B. What is the difference between union and intersection? In union, the elements which are in A as well as in B all comes in A union B, but in intersection the common of A and B elements will only come. Let's take an example. There is a set A that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In set B 1, 3, 9, 12. An intersection of A and A intersection B. Symbol of intersection is A intersection B. So in intersection of A and B, only the common part of A and B will come. Let's see, 1 is common in both, 3 is common in both. They are the two elements which are common in both the sets. So intersection of A and B will be equal to 1, 3. Let's move to the next, that is third one, disjoint sets. What is disjoint sets? Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if the common part between A and B, that is A intersection B, will be equal to 5. Equal to 5, that means it's a null set. Okay, so disjoint sets means if there are two sets A and B, they are said to be disjoint if and only if the intersection between A and B, that is the common elements between A and B are null. That is, no common element is there between A and B. These are called disjoint sets. Or we can set it also or intersecting or overlapping sets. These sets are also called intersecting or overlapping sets. Let's move to the uh, example. Element A, they're the elements 1, 2, 3. Or in element B, they are elements 5, 6 and 7. If we find A intersection B of these two sets, what will we see? There is no common element between A and B. Therefore, A intersection B will be equal to 5. So, these A and B are called disjoint sets. Let's move to the next. That is difference of sets. What is the difference of sets? The difference of, let's suppose there are two sets A and B. Difference of A and B is written as A minus B, and it is the set of those elements of A which does not belong to B. In the difference of the sets in A and B, the A minus B, the set will come of the elements which are in A but does not in B. Like, let's move to the example of disjoint sets. First of all, we will write the A minus B. A minus B means X in which X belongs to A, but X does not belong to B. Those elements who are in B does not come in the A minus B, and B minus A will be equal to X in which X belongs to B but X does not belongs to. Let's move to the example. We have the two sets like A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in B set they are the elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. These are the two sets. So A minus B, we have to find first A minus B. In A minus B, only those elements comes which are in A but they are not in B. Like 2 is in A but not in 3, so 2 will come. 3 is in A as well as in B, so we have to exclude the 3. Let's move to the next element, that is 4. 4 is in A but not in B, so we can write 4. 5 is in both common, we exclude it. 6 is not common to both, so we take it. And 7 we have same, so we did not take. So A minus B will be equal to 2, 4A. But if we have to find B minus A, then we take first the element of B, that is 3. Element of B is 3. So 3 is in common to both, so we will not take. 5 is in common to both, we will also not take this element. 7 is also common in both. 9 is not common, so in B 9 will come. 11 is not also common, 11 will come, and 13 will come. So in set B only 9, 11 and 13 will come. So these about the difference of sets. Let's move to the next fifth part. Fifth part is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of two sets. What is the meaning of symmetric difference of two sets? It means if there are two sets A and B, then symmetric difference of A and B is written as A minus B union B minus A, and it is denoted by A. Use the symbol this for symmetric difference and then B. What does it mean? Like if we're taking the example same above, in above example we have find a minus b, that is 2 4 6. So a minus b will be equal to 2 4 6 and b minus a is equal to 9 11 13. So we have to find a symmetric difference. Then symmetric difference a symbol this b will be equal to the union of these two sets. Union means that both the elements of a and first set and the second set. So in first sets there are 2 4 6 and then second set there are 9 11 13. So these all elements will come in a symmetric difference of two sets. Let's move to the next sixth one, that is complement of sets. In complement of sets, complement means opposite to the set. Like U, as we said, U is a universal set, that is all sets. So in complement of sets, let U be a universal set. U, universal set. Universal set means the set in which there are all the elements. Let A be a such set that, and let A be such set in which A is a subset of U. That is, elements of A belongs to U. So A dash will be the elements, or we will write it A power C, or U minus A are is defined as a set of all those elements of U which are not in. It's A dash will be equal to U will be set X belongs to, not belongs to A. X belongs to U but X does not belong to A. Clearly, let's move to the example. In this, U set contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. And set A contain elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B contain elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and set C contain elements 3, 4, 5, 6. First we have to find, first question is we have to find complement of A. Complement of A will be equal to the set in which element, we have to find the complement of element A. So the elements which are in U but not in A, like 1 is in A, 2 is in A, 3 is in A, 4 is in A. So we will exclude this and we will take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in A complement. Next is A intersection C complement. So first for this we will find A intersection C. First we have to find A intersection B. So A intersection C will be equal to intersection of A and C. Intersection means the common part between A and C, and the common part between A and C are 3 and 4. Now we have to find the complement of A. Complement of A intersection C. Complement of A intersection will be equal to union minus A intersection C. And union is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and A intersection is 3 4. So we have to exclude the 3 and 4 elements. So in this elements will come 1 union of A intersection, we will 1 2 5 6 7 8 and 9. Let's move to the third question, that is A union B complement. So A union B complement will be equal to union minus A union B. Okay, so first we will find union. Union elements are whole 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 in A union B. In element A 1 2 3 4 and 2 2 4 6 8. So A union B will be equal to 1 2 3 4 6 and 8. So if we exclude all these elements from union, the remaining elements are 5, 7, 9. Let's move to the fourth question. Fourth question we have to find the B minus C complement. So B minus C complement will be equal to union minus B minus C. In union there are the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in B minus C means elements which are in B but not in C. So 4 is common to both. So we will take only 2 and 8. So B minus C will be equal to 2, 8. If we exclude these two elements, the B minus C complement will be equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the elements will be in the, okay.